Hey guys, it's Bear here at Morimoto, and today we're going to be doing some installs on the 2015 to 2022 S550 Mustangs. So stay tuned and see what it's all about. So the original taillights on the S550 are considered a combination lamp, meaning it uses the same circuit on the brake and turn signal. So with that being said, it's very difficult to accomplish a sequential turn signal that's a different color. But here at Morimoto, we actually came up with a new design that allows the sequential ambers to be in the taillights. So the install of these taillights are pretty simple. First off, you're going to start off with removing these 4 plastic screws. They're easy to remove, and you can remove them by hand. Now with those 4 screws removed, you now can remove the plastic trim piece. Next, you'll be folding down your truck liner. There's a plastic clip that you can be removing on both sides. Once those are removed, you can fold it down. This will give you access to the 3 bolts on the very back of your taillight. So remove these 3 bolts entirely, and then you can unplug your taillight harness. Now with those removed, the taillight should be removed easily. When taking it out, make sure that the rubber grommet is removed and then feed the harness through. Now take a pry tool and wedge this plastic trim piece off of your OEM taillight. This trim piece will be placed on your Morimoto XB taillight, just like your OEM. Now with all that finished, you can start with the install. It's pretty simple. Run your new harness through the taillight area and make sure to seal the hole with the grommet that's provided to make sure it is waterproof. Next, you're going to line up the 3 bolts with the 3 holes and tighten the 3 nuts down on them. Last but not least, you'll do the same thing on the other side and then replace the trunk liner and also the trim piece, and it's easy as that. The install is done. Alright guys, well that is a wrap for our Morimoto XB taillights for the S550. Don't forget to check out all of the other products that we have for the Mustangs, like our headlights, side markers, reverse lights, and much, much more. All you have to do is go to morimotolighting.com and type in your year, make, and model, and we'll see you guys over there.